Everyone, I don't have a whole lot to add to the construction update, but I'd like to tell you a little bit more about a history of facial plastic surgery. So most Western scholars would say that the first plastic surgeon is an Italian by the name of Gaspare Tagliatozzi, who in 1597 wrote a textbook on plastic surgery. And he's famous for developing a technique for repairing an injured nose utilizing skin from the forearm that's sutured to the face, and after a period of healing is transferred fully to the face. This is a brutal procedure that took many months and multiple operations, and he actually was not the first plastic surgeon. Some of the earliest plastic surgery texts came from the Egyptians and from the Indians. There's a famous Indian physician by the name of Sushruta who in the 6th century BCE wrote a plastic surgery textbook and developed a technique for reconstructing the injured nose utilizing skin from the forehead, which is actually much closer to the technique that we use today. Now, this technique was discovered by an Englishman by the name of Joseph Carpue in the late 1800s, who utilized this technique on soldiers in World War I to repair their noses. Arab scholars in the Middle Ages took medical texts from the Romans and from the Greeks, translated them, and advanced on them themselves. There's a surgeon by the name of Albucasis who in the 10th century was born in Cordoba, Spain, and he wrote a 30-volume treatise on medicine, the last of which was on surgery. He actually performed the first upper blepharoplasty, which is an excision of skin from the upper eyelid, and he also described techniques for the repair of nasal fractures as well as jaw fractures. So the point here is that we really need to take a broad perspective on medicine and advancements in medicine because we really can learn a lot from all cultures.